Welcome back, my WeldTube family. Once again here with Cindy Rodriguez, welding fly ducts. Now, in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to do walking the cup for beginners. It's a very simple process. So I got my plate done over here. It's nice and clean and prepped up. Now, what I want you to do at home, I want you to grind two lines right next to each other. Okay, so two lines, but I want you to keep them a ½ inch apart from each other. We're gonna walk the cup inside those two lines. I'm gonna show you how to do this. Now, I have a can over here. This is our cup. And what I want you to do here, pay attention down here what I'm doing. I want you to pivot, roll, pivot, roll, pivot, roll, pivot, roll. So you're gonna pivot to the direction that you wanna go and then roll, pivot, roll, pivot, roll. Let me show you on the TIG rig real quick. All right, here we go. We're gonna place our cup right in the center, and watch carefully. I'm gonna pivot and I'm gonna roll. I'm gonna pivot, roll, pivot, roll, without pushing it forward. Let the cup do the work. There we go. That's how we're gonna do it. And what I want you to do here, I want you to touch with your puddle every single line. So you're going to touch, 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 touch. Focus on the toes of the line. Focus on the edge of your puddle. Easy. Okay? It's all on the wrist. Now, very important, placement on your wire where it should be. Okay? So what I like to do, I like to keep my wire in front of my tungsten, roughly about 1/8 away from the tungsten. Okay? And keep that wire right in there. What I want you to do now with that wire, look at my angle that I have. You see it? Now, you can keep it higher too. It doesn't matter as long as you have a little bit of tension on that wire, because you don't want it to be slipping around on you, okay? So put a little bit of pressure on that wire where it doesn't move around. Keep it in there and follow through. And also, I am using our WeldTube Gemini Auto Shade 11. This is exactly what I have in my hood right now. So we're also using a Shade 11 on our arc shots. Now, if you want one of these, come check us out, come to the store, or look us up online on weldlife.com. Come get it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so let's go ahead and get started. Now, on my stick out, my tungsten stick out, it's about 1/4 inch away from the cup, the edge of the cup. So nice and short, not too long. If it's too long, you're gonna start touching that puddle. So keep it about 1/4 inch away from the cup. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. Now remember, you want your wire to be roughly about 1/8 away from the tungsten. Always make sure that your tungsten is nice and sharp. You want to keep it at about 180 amps. If you're using a thick plate, we're using a 1-inch plate, so it's pretty thick. It takes a lot of heat. Now if at home you're using a 3/8 plate or 1/2 inch, you don't want to go too hot. You can try it like on the first couple passes at 180, you should be fine, but don't keep it too hot. Start off at 150 and 160, keep practicing. Now the technique on the cup, walking the cup, remember it's a pivot, roll, pivot, roll. Don't force it, don't push it forward. Let the cup walk you. It's all on the wrist. If you want those tight weaves, what do you got to do? Pivot less and then roll. It's more of a wiggle. Focus. If you catch yourself slipping, what does that mean? It's probably because you're forcing it, you're pushing it forward, or your plate might be too hot. Relax, don't press too hard. Keep a light wrist, but enough tension where you can control it though. It's very important here that whenever you're walking the cup, you're looking at your puddle. Look at the edge of your puddle, the toe line. Make sure that the edge of your puddle touches the grind lines that you made. Nice and tight. Now remember, the more you pivot and roll, the wider you pivot, the wider your pattern is going to be. We're doing about a medium weave right here. That's what I like to do. This is the way to go. If you like our video, check us out, comment, like, subscribe. Also, don't forget about our welding products. They're high quality. Check us out online, weldlife.com. Come get it.
This video is brought to you by weldlife.com. Get your WeldTube premium welding goods at weldlife.com.
weldlife.com.